This is Morten from INKISH TV. We are still here at the BHS Open House in Münster in Germany. And I hope you have seen some of the stuff we have done today. It's just great. And Katharina, you play a very special role here because you're the one that glues everything together, right?
Yes, I'm the moderator of the event and I'm trying to cheer up everybody and get good bridges between the different presentations.
You told me just before that you are not an employee by BHS, and you also work with more like in the communication kind of thing. How difficult is it to glue such a technical crowd together?
In the end, it's not that difficult if you're in love with technology, which I am. But of course, it's different than like moderating online marketing event or something, because you really have to dive into all the technical details and try to find out like the most important baselines and put it on an abstraction level that everyone understands, but it's a lot of fun.
So basically that means that being a moderator at an event like this requires a lot of learning and training, so you actually know a little bit about both the technology and the output of it?
Yes, I do. I'm not a specialist for corrugators, but I love innovation. I love technology in different areas. I myself have a startup for a software company, so it's good and I can do it. Yeah.
And I take that getting involved with a company like BHS, I don't know them so well, but got to learn them through the past months. Seems that a company that has a very, very deeply rooted interest in people. And from a communication, people first, right?
Absolutely, yeah. They're a real hidden champion to my perspective, and they really managed to gather so many people here, create a great vibe, create a great atmosphere, and I love to be here. Yeah.
When you're finished here, what is coming up? What is the next thing you have on your calendar for now?
Oh, the next thing I have on my calendar is my own projects, which I'm traveling a lot to Mallorca because we're rolling out our own technology there. And then for speaking, I will be in Münster in the beginning of May again, funny, and then back in Cologne to do something for like the financial industry. So there are many people who need moderators and speakers.
And I think that when we talk about the need for moderators and speakers is because communication becomes more and more essential, not just from a corporate perspective, but also from how we basically kind of digest all the information available. Is that something? Do you see a growing need for that within the customers you have?
Yes, totally. I see it. On the other hand, I see that the event industry as such is really reinventing itself because people really need better reasons to travel, to go to an event. So really their digitization is playing a bigger role. But in total, like the communication and moderation in all kinds, also podcasts, YouTube videos, all that video content that is created right now, it's getting bigger and bigger in total.
So both a threat to, let's say, existing kind of exhibition venues, but a huge opportunity for companies and people like yourself, right?
Yes, absolutely. Yes.
Fantastic. Thank you very much, Katharina.
Thank you so much.
Okay.